Welcome back to Learning with a Difference. News headlines in English for 4th of August. And first of all, national news. 1365 vacant posts in IAS, 703 in IPS government told to Rajya Sabha. India to have its first polar research vessel in 5 years, Union Minister Rijiju. Providing dignified life to persons with disabilities, responsibility of entire society. President Murmu. Delhi Services Bill passed in Lok Sabha, opposition walked out. Parliament passed bill to provide fixed 50-year production lease for offshore minerals. Environment free of terror, imperative for normal ties. MEA on Pak PM's remarks on talk. No proposal at present to change names of high courts. Law Minister. International news. No mobile access at night. Minor mode. Key points revealed from China. New law for children. Hope for the deaf as South Africa recognized sign as an official language. Domestic violence cases rose amid Ukraine war. Norway added to Russia's unfriendly foreign states list. UK announced temporary scale down of Niger embassy staff following coup. Saudi, Kuwait claimed full sovereign rights to Iran disputed oil field. Indian American Sohini Sinha to head FBI's field office in Salt Lake City. Zelensky said Russia wants global catastrophe, collapse of food markets. Now some sports news. India ready for litmus test at Asian Champions Trophy 2023. PV Sindhu, Kidambi Shrikant, HS Pranoy entered quarter-finals of Australian Open Badminton. Andy Murray beat Brandon Nakshima in ATP Washington Opener. And Germany, Colombia must avoid surprises to reach FIFA Women's World Cup last 16. ICC broke silence over Ashes ball change debate amid massive criticism. Manoj Tiwari announced retirement from all forms of cricket. Now news related to business. Sensex fell 299 points in early trade. Nifty declined 87 points. India's services sector growth climbed to 13-year high in July. Adopt WHO's standard manufacturing practices, center told to pharma companies. Adani Enterprises quarter 1 profit after tax grew 44% to rupees 677 crore. Vedanta shared price crashed 9% after reports of promoters' stake sale. Now science related news. Animal that lived nearly 40 million years ago could be heaviest ever. And that's all in news. Thank you.